Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate the execution step for ARM C program. It's almost similar to execution steps of assembly program, but instead of using assembly instruction we are here going to use the C program. The steps to execute, I will start with the step execution steps. So go to project, click on new project, and you can give the name. I'll give the name as sample3. Then click on save. Then pop up the window asking for target device. Again same one, LPC2148. So select on it. Then click OK. Again it asks for to add the startup.s to the project folder and add to file to the project. So in case of C program you have to add this one, but in case of assembly program no need to add this. So click yes here in case of C program. So it's saying that already exists because I'm priorly running the program. So say yes to overwrite it. So it will create the project. You can in the project palette you can observe that in source group. So I added the startup.s file. Now next work you have to add the C program file. To add C program, first you have to write the C program in editor. To get editor, go to file, click on new, it will pop up there. It will show the middle one window, that is the editor window. So as like in our high level language C program, we start with C hash include std.h, then main, then we declare the variables. Almost the same steps are followed, but instead of using the hash include std.h standard header file, we are going to use the controller header file. It is lpc21 for x.h. Okay, that is start with first include the controller header file, that is hash include lpc21 for x.h. So LPC21xh is the header file for the target device which I have chosen, that is LPC2148. Now next one is to integer. The main should be its integer type, main, then void, then opening this and declare int. I'll demonstrate the addition of two numbers. I declare the three variables j initialize with the hexadecimal number 4, then k initialize with the hexadecimal number 2, put semicolon, then I'll write the addition of these two numbers j plus k, then close the end closing brace. This is a simple program. You can write for subtraction. You can include multiple programs in the same program. You can add, and you can write for subtraction, multiplication, division, or rotate instruction, and also you can add here. Now after writing this one, after complete program, now you have to save this file. And with the name, I'll give the name as sample3.c. Okay, the extension it should be, I have to use the .c. So click on save. After saving, the colors of the text get changed. The header file changed to green color. The standard keywords change to blue color. Then variables are in the black color. Okay, after saving this, we need to add this into the target device. So that is the thing, but we need to add in source group. To add this one, right click on it and click on add existing file to the source group. Then choose the what file name I have given, sample3.c. If the multiple files are there to add it, you can add multiple files, but problem is that it get conflict in execution time. So you can choose any one C file, that is sample3.c. So click on add, then click on close. Now next one is to, after adding all this, save all. Then next one I need to build the target. nothing but need to compile it to create the check any syntax error. So go to project, then click on build target. So there is two warnings. The two warnings are the last line file ends without new line. Then the second warning is I was sent but never used it. This is because of some indentation error. Okay. Now I can put the tabs and save all. I can go to project and build target. Now again you get the warning. Same warning is remaining. Variable I was set but never used. So we can put the, you can ignore this warning. No, that is not such one, because it asking for initialization that values I was set but never used. Now you can ignore this because it does not affect the execution of the program. The error will surely affect. Okay. So now next work is to go to debug and click on. Now we need to check the result whether two numbers are going to add or not. So click on start or stop debug session. Click on it. It will pop up. It will ask for the evaluation mode. So click OK. Okay. Now we can observe that. Enlarge the register window. It will look like same what execution steps we saw in the assembly program. Same thing, same way to execute. To execute it stepwise. You can observe that two arrows are indicating pointing at line number 4. So I can execute only these two lines or 6th line also. 6th line is the end of the program. So initially some values are shown here, R0, R1. These are some already stored because of the header file and to initialize your main program. That's why it's already uploaded, already loaded into LR, PC and even stack pointer also. And when you click on the step execution, you can observe that it highlights only program counter and register R1 and R2. So register R1 is nothing but your variable J and register R2 is nothing but your variable K. So the compiler automatically allocate the register to the how many number of variables you are going to declare. Okay. Now move on to the next step. So say now result in R3, that is 6, which is nothing but the I variable is where the I variable declared for the R3. So R3 used as a variable I. Now result is stored in the R3. So the 4 plus 2 is result is 6, simple addition. So result is stored in the R3. So this result you have to write in your observation notebook. Okay. Now after completion of this, you can stop the debug. You can click on start and stop debug session. Okay. So this is the simple steps for execution of C program. So you can work with the subtraction, multiplication, division or any other shifting of bits towards right side, left side, binary keywords you can use it to perform any arithmetic and logical operations. Okay. So these are simple steps to execution of the ARM C programs. Okay. Thank you.